Hey traders, quick market update. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so the cracks are still showing in the markets. And I think, once again guys, that the markets are still making these formations, and sometimes they take their time, like they're doing this sort of stuff. But I think that's the thing about the stock market, if you think about it, really, right? Hardly ever does something just pop out of nowhere and something major happens. The charts generally give you plenty of time, and I'm telling you right now, guys, if you're bullish in this market, if you're long this market, the charts are giving you plenty of time to reevaluate your positions of being long in this market. Yes, the market may go up, but the way you're seeing all these other markets out there happening right now, the indices, things are starting to really slow down. So you can see that by looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, we had obviously a down day today, pretty much a nothing day today. Wasn't really anything, but we're still developing this bear flag. We still haven't broken past that 18,000 yet, which is the key. I bet you that when that happens, the big down movement will happen. So that's the Dow Jones there. I'll get to that in a minute. The SLV. So Dow Jones, looking at the S&P 500, you can see by the S&P 500, guys, that we had the S&P 500 is now becoming a lot weaker than the Dow Jones, which is really interesting, right? Now because the Dow Jones has been slowly stepping down a lot more weaker than the S&P. The S&P 500 now is getting a lot more selling volume and a lot more down volume. So guys, all signs come to big self coming soon. It's all happening. It's waiting for something. It's like the charts are telling you something big is about to happen in the markets. We're about to see a major breakdown. A major breakdown, I believe, is going to happen real soon. Where you can see what's happening. It's rolling over, bear flag formation. It's all happening through there. Looking at the Nasdaq, look what happened to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, massive head and shoulder formation is now starting to show itself. You got this sort of very ugly head, very ugly shoulder, very ugly head, and now you got this right shoulder. It's actually breaking down now with a volume spike. Guys, there is nothing bullish about this market. It ran up, came back down, spiked back up, and now we're coming back down. This is a major topping pattern, and a lot more downside is about to hit the markets, guys. There is nothing bullish about these charts. Let's actually continue here. Go to the VIX. Go to the VIX. Go VIX. Go. VIX just had a nice little move to the high side. VIX is about to spike like crazy. I'm in the VIX, by the way. So, and by the way, guys, if you guys know that I have been, and you guys know that if you've been watching my market updates for probably the last month or so, you guys know that I've been short this market, or I've got positions to benefit from this market going down. So and I still am, guys. Right, I still am. I am basically short this market right now. I'm technically short this market. I'm not actually short, but I've got positions on, like the VIX and other positions on, to benefit when the market goes down. Those things go up, and I benefit from them. Okay, so, and I've said that all along, and I'm still, there's no ifs about it. I have positions to benefit for the profit of the market going down, and it's starting to happen already. So giddy up, yeehaw, giddy up. So the S&P 500 is doing that. Let's actually, again, I just wanted to get that out in the open. I'm not on the sidelines. I still have positions on to benefit from this market going down, and I just wanted to let you guys know where I'm at with that. So trading, not much going on there. Let's actually look at the Russell 3000. Russell 3000, guys, you can see it's still rolling over. We are getting that rollover. Now we're getting that it actually opened high and came down and closed low. So expecting a lot more downside tonight as well too, guys. I don't know, guys, what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen tonight, but yeah, I really don't know what's going to happen tonight, guys. But I believe massive selling is about to hit the markets. You know, the markets have really, the markets are basically closed in the last couple of hours. I don't know what's going to happen. Are we going to get some major sell-off coming into the markets right now? And I actually think we're about to get that. All right, so I believe really, big selling is about to hit the markets pretty much soon, because everything's starting to show its crack. And I talked about this one here yesterday, right? The Russell 3000 index, or Russell 2000 index. I said it's closing below, and then major selling volume, and look what happened. Bam, came down again as well too. So I was pretty much spot on with that. And guys, look at this here. Russell 2000 is now showing its true colors there. And again, guys, you can see we have like a this could be a shoulder, a head, and shoulder, but we have a shoulder, maybe a head, and maybe another right shoulder there. It could be a leading head, shoulder, but we're breaking down, guys. We've got selling volume, guys. Major sell-off is about to hit the markets, guys. There is nothing bullish about this chart. Major selling is about to hit the markets, and that's just what I see. And so we're looking at that now. That's obviously the indexes there, guys. You guys can see what I'm saying there, right? It's rolling over. Do not be bullish this market right now. Just stand aside. Let's have a quick look at silver and gold here for a minute, guys. Silver and gold, you can see silver and gold. I've got this sort of trend line through here. It's sort of holding that trend line, sort of hitting resistance, hitting support. There's actually a lot of support through here. So the interesting thing I'm finding about here, guys, is that there's not a lot of selling right now. There's not a lot of buying right now. So it seems like there's a lot of support here also trying to hold it up. So who's going to win out of this market? So it'll be really interesting to see. Same with gold as well too, right? That the sellers have been struggling to bring it down, but the buyers are slowly crawling it up. So really interesting to see what's happening there overall, guys, on the Dow Jones, or on all the indices, and plus silver and gold. So guys, I'm still bullish on my silver trade. I've still got bullish silver trades going on right now. I'm still long on silver. So we'll see what happens. Again, I'm long until the end of the year right now, and I have for the last month or two. I've got positions on to benefit, like the VIX, because if the market goes down, the VIX spikes. So I'm in positions like that, plus other positions to benefit if the market goes down. I'm just being completely honest with you guys. I'm not telling you what to do. There is no guarantees this making profit, but I'm just being open and honest with you guys, and this is telling you exactly what I'm doing. And I'm doing this based on what I'm seeing in the markets. Okay, so if this market cracks, you know that I've done well. Right, because I've been telling you for the last couple of weeks, I've been short. I'm still short. You know what I mean? And basically, yeah. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.